Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing all things Ulta. So it's a huge Ulta haul. I had a lot of things that I really needed to get, so I thought that I would share with you what I purchased. Some things are new purchases, some things are oldie but goodies, and some things that I've just never tried before. So let's get started. Okay, I did purchase a new thing of my Purity from Philosophy. This is the cleanser that I use on my face every single day. I use this with my Clarisonic. It's how I clean my face. I do go in with, you know, a makeup remover wipe and some makeup remover for my eyes, but this is my trusted friend. I was just about out. I did have a travel size that I had to resort to, but this is a no-brainer right here. I have to have it. It's the most wonderful clean feeling without stripping your face and making it tight and dry. Absolutely love this. So yeah, picked that up. Now, while I was picking that up, I got a couple of other things face related. The other thing is that I purchased some makeup remover for my eyes. This is oil free. It's by Neutrogena. It's just their makeup remover. You shake it before you use it and it kind of fizzes up like that. You can see it says it's oil free, but it's and no oily residue. And the reason that I got this is because I wear contacts, and so oil and contacts don't mix. But I needed something that was going to get rid of the waterproof mascara that I've been using lately. Oh, and that reminds me, the Monster Big is what I've been using lately in the waterproof. Love this. Now, that's not what I have on my eyes right now. I have on just the regular Maybelline Great Lash is what's on my eyes right now, but for a really dramatic look, nighttime, daytime, that kind of thing, yeah, I like to use this. It's really, really amazing. And I like the regular too. I have a sample of it and I've been loving it as well. I've been trying different ones, but down here where there's so much humidity and all that, it really requires the waterproof, and so I needed something that was going to get it off. What I had been using was not getting it off my eyes, and you know, I kind of run out of my other, so I just bought a new thing of this. And I've never used this brand as far as, you know, the liquid to use with pads, so we're gonna see how it goes anyway. Long story short, we're gonna see how it goes. All right, the other things that I got for my face include This was in the little Death Valley, you know, the little checkout area as you're going up to the register. This is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate. It's the intensive exfoliating treatment. Okay, I went ahead and purchased this because I've mentioned in the last couple of videos how dry my skin's been lately because I got a little too much sun and I was kind of peeling on my nose and that sort of thing. The bridge of my nose and around the corners of my nose have been really congested because I was using the Benefit Professional underneath to smooth out, you know, my large pores there, and it really does clog up and mess those pores up when you use that. And so I needed something that was going to absolutely take care of that. And so this is something you put on either morning or night whenever you feel like it. I like to do mine at night because I like to moisturize real heavily afterwards because it does make your face sting just a little bit. But it's a wonderful exfoliator. It really got rid of the dry skin that was just sort of just laying on top, and it got it off, and I really, really liked it. So I have already tried this. I tried it the day that I went and made my Ulta purchase. I just went ahead and purchased this because I thought, you know, I need something. My papaya enzyme from Elemis wasn't doing quite the job I needed it to do. I needed something that was a little bit stronger. This is a really fine, it feels like sugary sand, and it does have a chemical in it. Obviously, it's a chemical peel, so you can only leave it on 1 to 2 minutes depending on your skin. I left mine on 2 minutes because I had so much dry skin to come off, and then you use circular motions. This was $15 for this. This teeny little thing was $15, and it's only 0.5 ounces. So, you know, it's not a whole lot, but I can see after using it the first time, I'll get probably 5 or 6 or maybe even more uses out of this one small thing. It does not take much at all. I used it in my T-zone primarily. I didn't do a whole lot on, you know, my cheeks, but I used pretty much just the center of my face and my forehead, and it did a great job. I moisturized afterwards, really liked it. So if I continue to like it, I'll probably purchase the large size. Okay, All right. The next thing that is skin related, okay? Guys, if you didn't know, I'm old, but I'm like an 80s, 90s kind of girl. And I remember when we were young and Atari came out, the first home video video game system and that sort of thing. And we loved Pacman. I played Pacman for hours and hours and hours. And if you didn't know, what you don't know is a lot, as Peter Mon would say. I love him. I think he's great. Wet n Wild has collabed with Pacman, and there was only a couple of items that I really wanted to get from the collection just because I don't know, it was nostalgic for me. So one of the things that I got was this brush. This is just, it says the Wacka 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 powder brush, and it is just a powder brush, but I love this chartreuse green color at the top or whatever. I don't know if you can see, but in the handle, it has the glitter that falls, and you can always use an extra powder brush for blending, or just, you know, if you've got a dirty brush, you can never go wrong. It was so cute, and it was just a novelty. I just had to have it. And then along with that, in this, as far as skin is concerned, the skin on your lips is really important. And, you know, being out in the sun and everything, you do need to wear sunscreen, obviously. But when your lips get dry, you need to use a scrub. And this is the limited edition Wet n Wild times Pacman bonus fruit lip scrub. And so it's really cute. It's, I believe, sour apple flavored. It looks really awesome. I can't wait to try it. I had been using a scrub from Fresh, and I also had a scrub from Lush. And the one from Lush was expired, and the one from Fresh is almost finished. So I was like, you know what? Let's go ahead and grab that too. It's so cute. Looks just like a little apple. Can't wait to taste it, see what it is about, and see if it's any good, and if it even compares to the others that I've used in the past. Okay, the next thing that I got, which is something that I really, I mean, I'm going to haul it just because I got it, but I got from, it's just the Ulta Beauty brand. It's just a makeup headband. It looks like this. It's got the bow. So when I do my makeup, I always have to push my hair back with this headband or something like that if it's not pulled back. And I thought, well, you know what? Let's get something that is a little more comfortable, because this kind of, after a little while, especially if I'm doing my stuff on camera, my head starts hurting and I get a headache. So I went ahead and grabbed this because I saw it, and I thought, you know what, that might be more comfortable, and it'll catch any makeup and keep it out of my hairline and that sort of thing. So grab that. It was just a necessity for me. Okay, the other necessity that's non-makeup is something that, I mean, we just have to have these. Ladies, we have to have these during the summer, but these are the Fashion Secrets. It's Hollywood plus Ulta Beauty. It's the Fashion Secrets Beauty Smart Silicone Cover-Ups for light skin tones. Yes, when you're wearing strapless, or you're wearing things that you just don't have a bra, that you just can't be bothered, you still need to do something. And so I grabbed these while I was in there. It was just a necessity. I'm wearing a lot of summer clothing that is really lightweight, and I didn't want to wear a bra with everything. So these work really good. You can use them up to 25 times, it says. So yeah, grabbed that. Just, you know, I'm a girl. I needed it. Okay, the next thing that I picked up is a palette from NYX. Now, I was going to get, I think it's called the Ultimate palette from NYX. Robbie Christie suggested it in one of her videos, and I've seen her use it quite a few times, and I thought, oh yeah, I need that, because first of all, I like NYX. I think they're a great brand. It's affordable, you know, that sort of thing. But then when I was in store, I saw the Modern Dreamer. And so I saw this and I thought, okay, Kelly, this is gonna work really good. You know that I did the series on my channel where it's the cocktail series, and you know that I use a lot of bright colors and that sort of thing. I needed some blues and greens to add to my collection besides just my Urban Decay palette. And so I thought, well, you know, this is excellent. It's got some really, really gorgeous, I've not opened it yet, but it's got some really gorgeous colors that'll be beautiful for this fall in this area. But you have all of these warm colors that are pretty for just everyday looks, and then you have these brights that are perfect for doing, you know, some really cool looks. I just really thought that this would be a good staple palette to add to my collection, and so I picked her up, and I'm excited to use it. I can't wait to dig into some of these colors. It's a good mixture of mattes and shimmers, and yeah, I'm really excited. You can tell there's a couple that are more glittery, and then there are some that are more like shimmers. So you've got satin, matte, and glitter, it looks like. So yeah, I'm excited to use this. Okay, that is that. And then I did go ahead, I needed a new Anastasia Brow Wiz, and this happened to be in store, and I went ahead and grabbed it just because, you know, I thought, why not? I needed to get something. Mine is in the color taupe, but this is just one of the Brow Wiz from Anastasia, but this was like a little extra set they were selling, and it's called the Power Duo. It's the mini dip brow gel along with the Brow Wiz, both in taupe. And so it was just on one of the, like an end cap or whatever. I was going for one of these anyway. I saw this and I thought, well, you know, for a couple more dollars, I'll go ahead and get the gel too. My gels are beginning to get a little old, so I knew it was time to go ahead and get something, and I thought maybe this might get me through the transition time until I'm ready to purchase something else. And I've never used the Anastasia brow gel before, so we're just gonna check it out and see how it is. But of course, this is an oldie but goodie. I absolutely love it, and I've purchased it time and time again, so that was a no-brainer as well. The next thing that I did is I picked up 2 different foundations. Okay, I needed 2 different foundations for 2 different reasons. The first thing that I picked up is the It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Plus Illumination with the 50 plus SPF. This is an everyday for me. This is what I use every single day, and I was using, mine was in the color light or medium, I think, and I went with neutral medium, which is a shade darker, because I have gotten some sun, my skin tone has changed, and I needed something a little darker. And since this is my everyday go-to because of the sunscreen in it, then I decided to go ahead and grab something that was a little darker, and I just needed it. The other one, I'm almost out of it anyway, and I know this will get me through the rest of the summer and early fall because it stays warm down here, you know, well into November. So yeah, I grabbed that. Then I needed just a very good full coverage foundation, and this is the foundation that I am wearing right now. I'm actually doing a video. I'm working on the video right now. I'm doing a wear test. Was a first impressions and that sort of thing. So that's what I have on now. I really like it so far. So far it seems to be going really well. I do like the finish on this. It has a demi matte finish, or a let's see, demi matte finish. It's medium to full buildable coverage, and I would agree with that. It's covered up my issues that I have, you know, with discoloration, unevenness. It's covered up some of my age spots and my broken capillaries. So far so good on that. And if you want to know how, you know, it turns out and my final thoughts on this, then you can check out my other video on that. It'll be coming up later this week. The next thing is the freebie that I got. This is my birthday month, and they gave me the Monsieur Big. I really like this so far. I've used it once, but I've been using the waterproof version. Guys, this makes it look like your eyes have falsies. I really like it. You can hear it rattling. It's a great, great mascara from Lancome. I really love it so far. I'm excited to continue using it. I don't have it on right now. I went with something simple for the daytime, but these are both really good if you want a more dramatic lash without having to wear a falsie. The next thing that I picked up is a eyeliner from Urban Decay. I got one of their 24/7 Glide On eye pencils. This is in the color Overdrive. I am really excited to use this in one of my looks. It's a beautiful, beautiful color. It's kind of a teal green, kind of a foresty teal green or whatever. I think it's going to look really good because I've got another cocktail series coming up and I needed an eyeliner for it, so I grabbed that. I absolutely love the 24/7 Glide On pencils from Urban Decay. I mean, they are just budge proof. You can put them on and they are going to stay. Love, 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 love those. Okay, another thing that I picked up is more on the foundation route as far as what you do first. I decided to try the Smashbox Primerizer. While I was over there shopping for my foundation, I got to thinking, you know what, I could really use something that's moisturizing and would prime. And so I know Kathleen really loves this, and I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna grab it. I'm gonna go for it. If I don't like it, I can return it, but I mean, I'm sure I'm probably gonna like it. I haven't tried it yet, but it's insane hydration. I need that. My mature skin, I just have to. But it says Feather Light Texture All-in-One Primer. It says that you don't have to use a moisturizer with this, but I will. I saw somebody say something about this was one of their favorites, but to not skip your moisturizer. So I'm not going to skip moisturizer, even though it says that you can. But I can't wait to try this. I'm excited that I have it finally. Okay, the other thing is I was also getting low on a concealer that wasn't too light. So I went in and got the Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I went ahead and picked it in the color Porcelain. It's a darker color than I'm used to, but that's what I need right now. And I loved my other Born This Way concealer, but the top broke and it kept getting everywhere. It was a total disaster, and so I had to throw it away. It broke my heart because I loved that concealer. But this is Super Coverage. I know that it will be. I know that the other was, and I'm pretty sure that I'm going to be able to use this and enjoy it. So can't wait to bust that baby out either. The last and final thing that I got is something that I really didn't need, but it was something that I've been wanting to try for a really long time. And I know I'm really late to the game on this, but this is one of the Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadows. So I got mine in the color Kitten Karma, like that right there. I've not tried it yet. I can't wait to. I want to have something that's going to look really cool, especially if I'm out at night. I want something that the lights it's going to hit. And yeah, so this is what it looks like. Very shiny and bright. I cannot wait to use it. Let me check it out. This is the first time for me to even open it. So that's what it looks like on the doe foot. Oh gosh, guys, wow. Okay, can you see? That's going to be beautiful, and it'll be really pretty at night, like date night, time out in the evenings, that sort of thing. I think this is gonna be gorgeous, so I'm really excited to, you know, have that and get started using it and experimenting and playing with it, because I really like liquid shadows that are more along the lines of highlighting, and to me that's what that's for, and so I can't wait to use it. Guys, that's it. It was a huge haul for me. I have been saving for a long time to do a haul because I needed some things. Some of these things are not necessary, but they're things that I felt like I could really use, and so I grabbed them. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed seeing what I picked up from Ulta. I hope you enjoyed seeing the things that are repurchases for me and things that are new to me, and I can't wait to try. You'll have to stay tuned so that you can see new videos with me using some of these products. And yeah, so don't forget to subscribe so you'll know when I have uploaded, and hit that bell, it'll alert you. And yeah, that's it. I really appreciate you guys for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.